Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best pan for cooking steak in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Lodge Cast Iron 10. 5-inch square grill pan for steak. Thanks to the Lodge for always introducing an irresistible variety of cookware. Either you want something particularly for cooking a turkey or preparing scrambled eggs. Lodge never ignores the priorities of its consumers. In the same vein, this trustworthy brand also strives to bring the best pan for cooking steak, and success again embellishes their journey. Moreover, a red silicone handle holder also accompanies your purchase. So, don't worry about holding this 10.5-inch grill pan while it is hot. To sum up, a versatile cast iron pan from a renowned brand wants to ornament your steak love. So, please don't ignore it. Preferably a little can release your frustration. Number 2. Our second best pick is All-Clad hard anodized non-stick, PFOA-free square grill steak fry pan. Now comes up a hard anodized aluminum grill pan. That features a sturdy construction and promises you anti-warping traits. Apart from exhibiting durable configuration, hard anodized aluminum heats up quickly and also evenly. Thus guarantees you a thoroughly brown yield with an even texture and flavor. Also, the pan features a non-stick coating that is non-toxic and offers an effortless food release meanwhile. To clarify, it's competently non-stick and takes you to the most convenient journey of cleaning thereby. Also, the non-stick coating means a full stop to oil since it needs minimum to zero oil. So, again, the pro of offering cholesterol-free food makes this grill pan a worthwhile purchase. While capturing the entire charisma of this best pan for cooking steak, let's not forget to mention that the cookware can stand up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven. Most importantly, the pot is dishwasher safe. But we suggest you hand wash it for better and longer results. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is GOURMEX 11-inch induction grill pan. The best pan for cooking steak from GOURMEX is superlatively durable. Hence excels in sturdiness amongst the entire list. While comprising heavy-duty cast aluminum, the cookware ensures long-lasting service. Since aluminum is an anti-warp material. Moreover, the non-stick layer emerges as a health-friendly aspect as well. To clarify, its formulation is unquestionably eco-friendly and doesn't contain toxicity such as PFOA. Meanwhile, we also ensure the durability of the non-stick coating. Therefore, the revelation of any harmful chemical is, fortunately, impossible. Above all, another good part of the story is the cookware compatibility with all kinds of heat sources. Either it's gas or electric or even coal. Nothing frustrates your cooking experience when you own the GOURMEX pan, since the legend behind the scene is subtle strength and more than enough durability. Last of all, we like to mention something exceptional besides the production of awesome texture and flavor. And that is the ease of cleaning. So, the non-stick layer means minimum mess and thus breezy cleanup. However, the pan is dishwasher safe also for maximum convenience. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.